The 2026 Honda CB1000GT enters the competitive leader class sport touring market as a masterclass in long-distance performance. Derived from the aggressive CB1000 Hornet platform, Honda has re-engineered this machine into a dedicated grand tourer designed to effortlessly bridge the gap between high-revving track lineage and cross-country comfort. Packed with standard factory equipment, including semi-active electronic suspension, integrated hard panniers, and advanced rider aids, the CB1000GT delivers an exhilarating ride without sacrificing long-haul practicality. Design and ergonomics. Honda sculpted the bodywork of the CB1000GT using computational fluid dynamics, CFD, to maximize aerodynamic efficiency and rider protection. Up front, a sharp, angular fairing works in tandem with a 5-position, hand-adjustable windscreen to channel turbulence away from the rider and passenger. Unlike aggressive clip-on posture setups found on supersport bikes, the CB1000GT offers a relaxed, upright riding stance. The handlebars are positioned to reduce wrist fatigue, and the wide, supportive seat sits at an accessible 825mm height. A redesigned subframe expands rider and pillion seating space, supplemented by die-cast aluminum foot pegs designed to dampen engine vibration during extended stints on the highway. Features and technology. As a flag bearer for Honda's touring lineup, the CB1000GT comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of high-tech features straight from the factory floor. At the center of the cockpit is a high-definition 5-inch TFT display equipped with Honda RoadSync for seamless smartphone navigation and media control. Key convenience elements include standard detachable hard panniers, 37 liters on the left and 28 liters on the right to accommodate the exhaust routing, heated grips, handguards, cruise control, a main center stand, and a Honda Smart Key proximity system. Safety technology is equally comprehensive, featuring a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, that manages Honda's selectable torque control, HSDC, cornering ABS, wheelie control, and auto-canceling indicators with emergency stop signal capabilities. Navigating through these electronic systems is remarkably intuitive thanks to a backlit 4-way joystick on the left handlebar. Riders can easily toggle menu layouts, adjust traction control levels on the fly, or switch display themes between high-contrast daylight mode and understated night mode, depending on ambient lighting conditions. Engine and transmission performance. Heartbeat duties are handled by a retuned version of the proven 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine originally born from the CBR 1000RR Fireblade, generating 147.6 horsepower at 11,000 revolutions per minute and 75.2 lb-ft of torque at 8,750 revolutions per minute. The power plant delivers a broad, smooth mid-range punch followed by a rush of top-end power. Power is delivered via throttle-by-wire with 4 preset riding modes: Standard, Sport, Rain, Tour, plus a customizable user mode. The 6-speed gearbox is paired with a bidirectional quickshifter and an assist/slipper clutch. Honda intentionally tallies a taller 6th gear ratio to keep highway cruising smooth and low vibration, while maintaining shorter ratios in lower gears for snappy acceleration. Handling and suspension. Handling is where the CB1000GT sets a benchmark in its class. Built on a rigid steel twin-spar diamond frame, it features a lengthened 635mm aluminum swing arm designed to preserve high-speed stability when fully loaded with luggage and a passenger. The highlight of the chassis is the standard Showa electronically equipped ride adjustment, Showa ERA, semi-active suspension. Driven in real time by the 6-axis IMU, fork sensors, and ECU, the system constantly adjusts damping to match road surface variations and dynamic braking loads. Rear spring preload can be conveniently altered on the fly via the instrument cluster. Braking performance relies on dual radial mount 4-piston Nissan calipers gripping 310mm floating front discs, providing immense stopping power backed by cornering ABS security. In practice, this intelligent chassis setup seamlessly adapts to changing pavement quality and aggressive lean angles. Whether carving through tight alpine switchbacks or absorbing expansion joints at high speed on the freeway, the suspension maintains composure and minimizes chassis pitch, giving the rider supreme feedback and confidence. Fuel consumption. With long-distance travel at its core, the CB1000GT houses a large 21-liter, 5.5-gallon fuel tank. Under mixed riding conditions, official estimates rate consumption at approximately 6 liters per 100 kilometers, around 39 miles per gallon. This translates to a usable touring range of roughly 340 to 350 kilometers, 210 to 220 miles, between fill-ups, allowing riders to cover substantial stretches of highway before needing a pit stop. To get the most out of every drop, selecting Tour mode softens throttle response and optimizes fuel mapping for smooth, steady cruising. This efficiency makes cross-country touring hassle-free, reducing the frequency of fuel stops during full days in the saddle. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful, retuned Fireblade-derived inline-4 engine offering usable mid-range and thrilling top-end performance. Comprehensive standard tourer package, including semi-active Showa array suspension, panniers, cruise control, and heated grips. Comfortable ergonomics combined with effective aerodynamic wind protection. Advanced safety technology powered by a 6-axis IMU with cornering ABS and traction control. Cons. Curb weight of 229 kilograms, plus 12.5 kilograms with panniers, makes it noticeably heavy during low-speed parking maneuvers. Asymmetric pannier sizing means slightly reduced storage volume on the exhaust side. Windscreen adjustment is manual rather than electronically actuated on the move. Price. Positioned as a premium yet complete sport touring package, the 2026 Honda CB1000GT enters European markets with a competitive starting price around £12,999 to €15,500, depending on regional taxes and specific accessory packs. Given that high-tier features like semi-active suspension, hard luggage, and a quick shifter are included as standard equipment rather than costly optional add-ons, the CB1000GT offers strong value against established competitors in the leader class touring segment.